Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Lizzet. So nice to meet you. I film cleaning videos, mommy videos, occasional DIY, and I'm so happy to have you here. Today's video is going to be a get it all done clean with me. I had a lot of messes throughout the house that I really needed to tidy up, so if you are here for some cleaning motivation, you are in the right place. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off in my kitchen. As you guys know, I always like to start here first, and my counters actually did not have a lot of clutter, surprisingly, but it's because I've really been trying to be on top of this center island because it's like the first thing that everybody sees once they walk in. So I really have been trying to declutter this throughout the day. And this is little Luna. She loves to get into this cabinet and take out everything. So I am constantly having to put dishes away. So I really need to baby proof all of my cabinets. And for my countertops, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's scent in the lilac. And now for my sink, I'm using the Method dish soap. I had mentioned to you guys in a previous cleaning video that I was looking for something better and bigger to hold my fruit in, since we have been buying lots of fruit lately, and I have not been able to find anything, but I did have this 2-tier tray in my living room that I use for decor, and I thought to myself, you know what, I'm just going to use that for my fruit. And I really liked how it looked, and it actually held a lot of fruit. So sometimes if you just upcycle some of your own decor that you have in your house, it works out even better. So now moving on to my entryway table, and I am moving all of my crystals into my bedroom because my little ones are always grabbing them and gravitating towards them and trying to play with them. So I just needed to put them somewhere where they couldn't reach them. And then just wiping down the table, still using that Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the lilac scent. and then I went in and started to sweep my kitchen. I usually will mop right after I'm done cleaning each room, but on this particular day I decided to just mop at the end when I was done with the whole house. And now we are moving on to the living room. I just had to pick up some toys here, fold some blankets, and readjust all of the pillows. And if you guys are on the hunt for a great vacuum, I really recommend this one. It is not cordless, but I feel like it's a great vacuum and it just has great sucking power, and I really am obsessing over this vacuum. It is by far my favorite vacuum I've ever owned. And then the last thing I did in the living room was give everything a quick spray with this room refreshener from Mrs. Meyer's, also in the lilac scent.
Words ain't enough to define the body of, yeah. Caught her look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but not, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace.
Moving on to the dining room, it has not been too crazy here because we have been eating outside in our patio. We live in California, so it is beautiful and sunny out here, so we have really been enjoying the weather. And now some laundry. I had tons of laundry to fold, and if only I could really fold it this quickly.
I'm sorry. Let's go.
And then once I was done folding the laundry, I started to take everything to the bedrooms. I will usually have the boys take their clothes. I'm trying to teach them to put their own laundry away, but for the sake of the video, I just did it myself. And now we are moving on to the main bathroom. The boys' bathroom I did not clean this day because that one I clean more regularly than our bathroom, because boys. So I am just giving our bathroom a clean this day, starting off by wiping off the mirror and then moving on to the sink area. I always go and clean my toilet last. So I'm spraying everything down with that Method anti-bac, and then I'm using Lysol for the toilet. And I just gave the hallway a quick little sweep before I went in with my mop. And you guys already know I'm using my O-Cedar mop and my Dr. Clean, my Mr. Clean floor cleaner. I love this stuff. It just makes the house smell so yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so that I know you guys are watching and I know you guys are liking these cleaning videos, and so I can film more of these for you guys. And while you're at it, if you have not already, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys on the next one.